Yes, students, a very good morning to all of you. So we have finished with the concepts of chapter number 9 by doing the questions of the different type, right? So today we will start with the second part of the revision of the chapter, that means case study. For that, I'm going to share some notes with you. You can take the screenshot. It is taking some time, just wait. Karthik, is it visible to you, case study? Okay, so we are going to start with the case study of chapter number 1, that is rational numbers, right? You can take screenshot of the whole, otherwise I will put it in the YouTube video also, right? So let us start. Let us read out the paragraph. You are having the pages with you, share with you each other and see. Two friends, Rahul and Vineet, they have taken part in marathon race, which is 100 by 9 kilometer long. There are two friends. One is Rahul, another is Vineet, taking part in a race. Total race is 100 by 9 kilometer long. Distance of the total race, 100 by 9 kilometer long. Both of them covered the distance by cycle, boat, and some of the distance is traveled on foot. Some of the distance they are traveling by cycle, and then some by boat and some on foot. Right? This is, let me write here, Rahul and Vineet. Right? So Rahul covers 38 by 9 kilometer by cycle. Rahul covered 38 by 9 kilometer by cycle and 10 by 7 kilometer by boat, 10 by 7 kilometer by boat, and remaining on foot. On the other hand, Vineet covered 37 by 9 kilometer on cycle, 37 by 9 kilometer on cycle, and 12 by 9 kilometer on foot, 12 by 9 kilometer on foot, and rest by boat. So data is available with us. So what we want to we want to give the answers of the following questions using this data. इस डाटा को यूज करते हुए हमें फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस के आंसर जो है वो देने हैं. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ मच टोटल डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय राहुल बाय साइकिल एंड बोट? यस गौरीश, Gorish, ask your doubt. Unmute yourself. Gorish.
Ma'am, I raise hand for giving answer.
But if until or unless I'm not asking you to give the answer, please let me explain. How much total distance covered by Rahul by cycle and boat? Rahul ने cycle and boat दोनों से कितना distance cover किया? Let me explain it on the board. Rahul ने cycle and boat से कितना distance cover किया? First question. This is cycle, this is boat. So you will add both. That is 38 by 9 plus 10 by 7. चलिए add up these two. Get the answer. 38 by 9 plus 10 by 7. Add them. Take the LCM and add them. 63 will be the LCM. 38 into 7. 9 into 10. So this is 266.
Ma'am, in my opinion, the answer is 356 by 63.
So the answer is 356. Answer is 356 over 63 kilometer. That means B option is the right answer. All of you solve it side by side and take it. B option is correct for the first MCQ of the case study. B option. Right? Let us do the second question. How much distance Rahul will cover on foot? Second question is, how much distance Rahul will cover on foot? How much distance Rahul will cover on foot? Rahul on foot कितना distance cover करेगा? Can anyone tell me the line of action for the same? To find how much distance Rahul will cover on foot? Hanji. How much distance Rahul will cover on foot? For this, we have to add cycle's distance and boat distance of Rahul, and it need to be subtracted from total distance. So, distance on foot by Rahul, this is equal to total distance minus the two distances, right? So right now you have find out it. This comes out to be, I think, कितना आया था बोलो? 366.
Ma'am, 350. Ma'am, 356 over 63.
356 over 63. This you were having, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Take the LCM. 63 will be the LCM. This is 700 minus 356. This is 344 over 63. 344 over 63. So you can see that B is the right option, answer B. So again, you are getting second question, B option to be the correct one. Right? Let us see question number third. Third question is, what total distance Vineet will cover by cycle and on foot? अब बारी आती है विनीत की. विनीत ने साइकिल एंड फुट से कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया? साइकिल, थर्ड क्वेश्चन, साइकिल प्लस फुट बाय विनीत. ऐड करो दोनों को. 37/9 was cycle and 12/9 by foot. You add it. This is 37 plus 12/9. This is 49/9. I think none is the answer. None. Because our answer comes out to be 49/9.
Ma'am, I think it is B option.
How it is B?
Ma'am, in my screen it is showing 49/9 at B.
Third, we are doing third. Okay. Third question is going on. I am looking at fourth answer. This is again B option, 49/9. Okay. Next is,
yes, ma'am.
How much distance Vineet will cover by boat? Vineet boat से कितना distance cover करेगा? That means total distance में से हमने cycle and foot का distance क्या कर देना है? Minus. Total distance minus cycle and foot. Let us see fourth question. Fourth question is, how much distance Vineet is covered by covering by boat? बोट से कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया? टोटल डिस्टेंस माइनस साइकिल प्लस फुट. ये अभी आपने फाइंड किया. दिस इज 100/9 माइनस 49/9 एंड दिस इज 51/9 किलोमीटर. बोट का डिस्टेंस टोटल डिस्टेंस में से साइकिल एंड फुट का डिस्टेंस माइनस कर दिया. तो देखिए जरा 51/9, which option is correct? This time fourth question, A option is correct. Option A is correct. Solve it side by side. All of you are sitting here over here, and those who are attending online. Hanji Devang, what do you want to ask? Devang.
मैम एक बारी थर्ड वाला क्वेश्चन नीचे स्क्रॉल डाउन कर दो, वो वाला मेरा स्क्रीनशॉट लेना वो छूट गया.
Third. What total distance Vineet will cover by cycle and on foot?
मैम इसका आंसर क्या था?
I think 49/9 was the answer.
ओके
Yes, Jasmine. What do you want to ask, Jasmine?
वाला भी दिखाना 2 मिनट.
Second. If you want, I will put in the group also. ठीक है, YouTube पे साथ साथ ग्रुप में भी डाल दूंगी मैं, मैथ्स वाले ग्रुप में.
ओके मैम.
राइट?
ओके मैम.
Don't worry. चलिए. So third question we have done. Fourth is done. Sum of the distances that Rahul and Vineet traveled by cycle. That means Rahul और विनीत ने जो साइकिल से डिस्टेंस कवर किया उनका सम. Sum of the distances Rahul and Vineet travel by cycle. Fifth part. राहुल एंड विनीत ने जो साइकिल पे डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया, दैट वी वांट टू फाइंड इट्स टोटल. सो दैट विल बी, राहुल का कितना है साइकिल का? 38/9 एंड विनीत का 37/9. ऐड करो 38 + 37/9. 75/9 किलोमीटर. दोनों के विनीत एंड राहुल का साइकिल का डिस्टेंस, देयर सम इज टू बी फाइंड, सो वी आर फाइंडिंग इट लाइक दिस इज 75/9 is the C option. C option is the correct one. So let me repeat the answers. First question, Gauri just find it. अभी मेरे को बताते जाना साथ साथ. ओके, थम्स अप रेज करते जाना. फर्स्ट का B.
यस मैम.
सेकंड का आई थिंक B.
यस मैम.
थर्ड का आंसर इज B.
यस मैम.
फोर्थ का आंसर इज A.
यस मैम.
एंड फिफ्थ का आंसर इज C.
यस मैम.
So this is all about with the case study of chapter rational number. I should not say that this will be in the exam. Any kind of case study can be there in the exam. You just have to read out the paragraph thoroughly and you have to see that what questions are being asked and accordingly the answer is to be given out. Okay? So case study we have done. Now we will do the practice of MCQs of the same chapter. MCQs. Chapter 1 MCQs. So you can see now I am shifting towards MCQs. Yes, Aditya, what do you want to say? Aditya Mahajan.
मैम मेरे को एक बार केस स्टडी का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन समझा दो, मैं समझ नहीं आया.
First question बता दे. First question was how much total distance covered by Rahul by cycle and foot? What? राहुल ने साइकिल एंड बोट से कलेक्टिवली कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया? तो राहुल का साइकिल का डिस्टेंस था 38/9 एंड बोट का था 10/7. I just added them, 38/9 and 10/7 I add and I get it to be 350/63. Am I clear, Aditya?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are going to start with the MCQs now. You will solve and I will ask the answer. बच्चे शेयर करो एक दूसरे के साथ, दोनों देखो. तो फर्स्ट MCQ. MCQ number 1. Let me share it with you. See on your screen. First MCQ. Find the sum of -5/9 plus -7/12 plus 11/18. चलिए students who are sitting here do it. Find the sum of -5/9 plus -7/12 plus 11/18. Do it. Take the LCM. What is the LCM of 9, 12 and 18?
Ma'am, the LCM is 32.
36 is the LCM. So this will be minus 5 into 4 plus minus 7 into 3, 11 into 2. Minus 20, minus 21 plus 22 over 36. This will be minus 41 plus 22 over 36. Minus 19 by 36. You can see B option is the correct one. Minus 19 over 36. Option B. Should we move further? Jasmine?
Yes, ma'am.
Second MCQ is there on your screen. Which of the following is not a rational number? Just raise your hands and let me know. Which of the following is not a rational number? A, B 1 by 2, C 3 by 2 and D 1 by 5. Anji Jyotin, can you tell me which of the following is not a rational number? 5 by 0, correct answer. 5 by 0, A option. Do you agree, all of you? 5 by 0 is not a rational number because its denominator is 0, which is not defined. So 5 by 0 is not a rational number. This is the second MCQ. This is MCQ 2. Right? So let us start with the third one. MCQ number 3rd. So look at your screen. Third MCQ. Third is product of 5 by 6 and its reciprocal is. Product of 5 by 6 and its reciprocal. Anyone?
Ma'am?
Yes, bolo Gorish.
Yes, ma'am. Answer is 1.
Answer is 1. 5 by 6 and its reciprocal. Get cancelled. Answer is 1. That means C option is the correct one. C option is the correct. Those who are sitting over here, they are following. ठीक है राज आर्यन? Okay बेटे. Question number 4. Multiplicative inverse of 5 by 2 ratio, divide 6 by 9. We want to find its multiplicative inverse. So first of all, बेटे क्या करेंगे? पहले इसको solve करेंगे. All of you do it. Firstly solve it. Then we will find multiplicative inverse. Firstly solve it. Divide changes into multiply.
Multiply.
And reciprocal. So the solving answer is 59 by 12. Raise your hands, all of you. Those who can give the answer. Shubh, can you give me the answer? After solving, I am getting 45 by 12. What will be the, you can say, inverse, multiplicative inverse? Devang, can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Anji, Shubh, bolo. Bolo, Shubh.
Ma'am, 12 over 45.
बिल्कुल ठीक. Multiplicative inverse will be 12 by 45. That is which option is correct? C option is correct.
C option.
आंसर्स नोट करते जाओ साथ साथ ताकि जब आप खुद सॉल्व करो तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम. मैम एक टाइम आप ये पीडीएफ ग्रुप में सेंड कर दोगे?
कर दूंगी. आई सेंड.
ओके मैम.
So let us do question number 5. Standard form of 45 over minus 100. हाँ जी बेटे क्या करते हैं स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के लिए? आपसे पूछ रही हूँ. क्या करेंगे बेटे कसक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म के लिए? हाँ जी, लास्ट बेंच, व्हाट टू डू टू फाइंड इट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म? कटिंग करेंगे. So it will be 9 by minus 20. Is 9 by minus 20 is the answer?
No, ma'am.
No, बिल्कुल ठीक. Savya wants to explain. Savya, you can explain. What will be the right answer?
minus 9 by 20.
It will be minus 9 by 20 in the standard form. That is D option is the correct one. Minus 9 by 20. When you are finding, you can say the standard form, the minus sign should be in the numerator. So answer will be D option. इस MCQ को मोस्टली बच्चे गलत करके आते हैं. ठीक है, चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 6.
Yes, ma'am.
6th MCQ we are going to start with. 6th MCQ is number which do not have reciprocal. Rajaryan, can you tell the number which do not have reciprocal? There are 4 numbers in the option: 2, 1, 0 and 9. Which number do not have reciprocal? किस नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल नहीं है? हाँ जी बेटे बताओ. हाँ जी, गलत. 0 डू नॉट हैव रेसिप्रोकल, क्योंकि 0 को हम उल्टा करके लिखेंगे तो 1 by 0 गलत हो जाएगा. Which option is correct? C option.
C option.
Which number do not have reciprocal? 0 do not have reciprocal. 0 का कोई रेसिप्रोकल नहीं होता. चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Seventh question is numbers whose reciprocals are equal to the numbers itself. ऐसे नंबर्स जो अपने ही रेसिप्रोकल होते हैं. 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 6 minus 6. Numbers which are equal to reciprocal of themselves. 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 1 minus 1, 6 minus 6. हाँ जी, can you tell? Numbers which are reciprocal of themselves. हाँ जी चितेश, you can give the answer. चितेश.
Yes, ma'am. Option C, 1 minus 1.
Option C is the correct one. Full points to Chitesh Tineja for this. He is giving the right answer, winning 1 crore. KBC खेल रहे हो, 1 crore जीत गए हो, है ना? So which option is correct? 1 minus 1. C option, because 1 का रेसिप्रोकल 1 नहीं होता है और -1 का रेसिप्रोकल -1 नहीं होता है. So these are the 2 numbers which are equal to their reciprocal, which are reciprocal of itself, right? चलिए, this was the 7th MCQ. Now I'm going to discuss the 8th MCQ. How many rational numbers lies between -1 and 1? How many rational
Infinitely many.
lies between -1 and 1 के बीच में कितने rational numbers lie करते हैं? Anyone sitting over here?
Infinite many.
Ma'am, infinite many.
I told you between 2 rational numbers there lies infinitely many rational numbers. So which option is correct? Infinite many. That is B option is the correct. Next, question number 9. Ninth question is find the additive inverse of 7 by 9 plus 5 by 6. Additive inverse. First of all, we will solve it. पहले इसको क्या करेंगे? Solve करेंगे. चलो
Solve.
take the LCM. 18 is the LCM. (29 by 18). Can anyone tell me, those who are sitting over here, what will be the additive inverse of 29 by 18? 29 by 18 inverse. Rest of you.
मैम -29/18.
हाँ जी, आप बताओ. What is the additive inverse of 29 by 18? माइनस, आपने इसको साइन भी चेंज कर दिया, उल्टा भी कर दिया. दो काम थोड़ा करने एक बार में. एडिटिव इनवर्स में सिर्फ साइन चेंज होता है और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में उल्टा पुल्टा होता है. -29/18. बी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट वन. एडिटिव इनवर्स इज इक्वल टू एडिटिव इनवर्स. बेटे आपका नेम क्या है? दिस बॉय हरगुन. दोनों चीजें एक साथ नहीं करनी. एडिटिव इनवर्स में साइन चेंज और मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स में ऊपर नीचे चेंज. -29/18. That is B option is the correct one. Let us do question number 10. Question number 10 is, what number should be added to 6/11 to get 4/9? What number should be added to 6/11 to get 4/9? What number should be added to 6/11 to get 4/9? So this is 6/11. I am adding x to it, and answer is 4/9. अब x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. X will be here 4/9 plus 6/11 come here become -6/11. Solve करो इसको. This will be 99. 44 minus 54. X is equal to -10/99. 6/11 में क्या ऐड करें कि 4/9 बन जाए? X ऐड करें. X को अपने पास रखा. इसके घर में कोई आ रहा है, ये बैठा रहा. ये बंदा प्लस का था, इधर आके माइनस का हो गया. Accordingly we are doing the calculation. So which option is correct? A option is correct. For 10th
A
MCQ,
option.
A option is correct. Let us do question number 11. Question number 11. This is, find the cost of 17/5 meter of the cloth at the rate of rupees 145/4 per meter. यानी कि cost of 1 meter is given, that is 145/4 rupees. We want to find the cost of 17/5. Cost of 1 meter cloth is given. We want to find the cost of 17/5 meter cloth. This is a question of
Multiplication.
Shabash. 154/4 into 17/5. 29 into 17. (493/4). मुझे लगता है डेसिमल्स में आंसर है, तो उसको कर लो आप. (123.25). देखें जरा हमारा कौन सा ऑप्शन बन रहा है. So B option is the correct one. Correct answer for 11th MCQ. Option B. MCQ number 12. What is 3 more than -7/9? 3 more than -7/9. 3 more than -7/9. What is 3 more than -7/9? That means you will add 3 to -7/9. More than means add. Take the LCM. 9. 20/9. Let us see which option is the correct one. Our answer is 20 by 9.
Option.
That means C
So,
option is the correct
C
one.
option.
Question number 13. What is minus 7 over 110 into minus 22 over 28? Solve करो इसको, देखो कितना आंसर आ रहा है. 12 5s are 7 4s are minus minus plus 1 by 20. See, the answer is 1 by 20 minus 7 by 110 into minus 22 by 28. Answer is 1 by 20. So let us see that which option is the correct one. Which one is correct? B option is the correct. So for the 14th question, your answer will be option number B. Let us do question number 15. Question number 15. Where you represent minus 1 by 2 on number line. Where you will represent minus 1 by 2 on number line. Options are right to 0. ये देखो इधर. Minus 1 by 2 को कहाँ represent करोगे? Right to 0, left to 0, on the 0, none of them. Left to 0 is the answer. Hargunpreet is giving the right answer because negative numbers, they are left to 0. So which option is correct? B option is correct.
B option.
So 5 MCQs are left. We will do it tomorrow. So I will put it in the group. You do the practice at home also. Right? With
Okay,
this,
ma'am.
I'm going to stop the lecture here only. Goodbye.